Do you want to make easy money? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money in the easiest and smallest of ways. So, all you need is just a mobile phone. Just a mobile phone. And well, an internet connection, of course. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications. So our site is called microwork.app, and this is mobile based, right? So you cannot do this on your computer unless you have like an emulator, basically. So what you do is you get paid just to take pictures, basically just to take pictures. That's how you get paid. So how this is done is you are given certain things that you have to take pictures of, maybe like a store in your area, a clothing brand, or anything that they have a specific task for you, and you have to go take pictures of that. They actually give you the thing that you actually have to take a picture of. Maybe like it's a Nike shoe, it's a Louis Vuitton bag. I don't know. It's just they just change around basically. So if you have a Android or an iPhone, then you can use this to get paid. So how you get paid is you have to download the app and then you sign up to the app. So basically you have to put it in your email and have a password so that like no one else can take your money, and it's available on Android and iPhone, right? And when you first use the app, you have to complete a profile survey. No, it's not like one of those surveys where you have to download another app and then you have to test it out and all that. No, how you do this survey is they'll give you like a task, right, where you have to take a picture of something and then they approve it. So once you're approved, you get paid, right? So that's how you do your first task. Obviously I don't think you get paid on your first task, but your first task is just to approve it. And yeah, you don't get paid, you don't get paid in actual money, but you get paid in cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency is a really big thing these days. So you're already in luck. You can now go invest in other crypto coins by just getting paid with crypto on this app. So yeah, they say withdraw your first dollar, but you actually get paid a lot more. It just depends with the type of task, right? So like sometimes you might get paid 50 cents, sometimes you get paid $5. It's just dynamic. It's not like a set amount of money, and you actually make really good money here. You can even make up to $191, and you withdraw that in cryptocurrency, and well, you enjoy your money. So I really recommend the site because a lot of people are making a lot of money from this site. You can even see here you get paid $1.20, $1.50 just to take pictures of shoes, and you have just taken pictures of socks. So this is a site that I recommend you guys use and get into, because you'll be getting paid a lot of money just to take pictures. Like a lot of people may just walk around on a daily basis in stores, and all you just have to do is take pictures and you get paid. So guys, go download this app and enjoy the benefits, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and enjoy the money.